I'm Dr. Swachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Pregnancy of unknown location, PUL, refers to a situation in which a woman presents with positive pregnancy test results, which is usually indicated by elevated levels of human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, also called as HCG, but it is not able to be confirmed either as a intrauterine pregnancy or as an ectopic pregnancy through transvaginal ultrasound. So this is called as pregnancy of unknown location. This scenario can be concerning and requires careful evaluation as it may be indicative of several complications. So what are the key points about pregnancy of unknown location? PUL occurs when a woman has positive pregnancy test, but imaging or ultrasonography does not reveal any visible yolk sac or fetal pole within the uterus. Nor are there any signs of ectopic pregnancy, or ectopic pregnancy is an embryo implanted outside the uterine cavity, any other place than the uterine cavity. What are the common causes? Early intrauterine pregnancies that are too small to be detected on ultrasound. Ectopic pregnancy, where the embryo is implanted outside the uterine cavity, mostly in fallopian tubes is what is very common. It could be a chemical pregnancy where an early pregnancy ends shortly after implantation, but before an ultrasound can confirm it. There are some complications and risks associated with pregnancy of unknown locations. Ectopic pregnancy. A significant risk associated with pregnancy of unknown location is the possibility of a ectopic pregnancy, which can lead to serious complications including internal bleeding, and if the ectopic tissue ruptures, this situation can be life-threatening and requires immediate medical attention. Then there is miscarriage as well. If PUL is due to a very early miscarriage, the situation may resolve on its own, but it could also lead to complications if the miscarriage does not complete naturally, potentially requiring medical or surgical interventions. Delayed diagnosis also. A delay in determining the location of the pregnancy can increase the risk associated with an ectopic pregnancy. That's because diagnosis and treatment may be postponed unnecessarily. Early detection is very critical to reduce morbidity and ensure appropriate management. So what are the management strategies? Serial measurement of this HCG levels can provide insights into the viability of the pregnancy, and an increase in HCG levels suggests a developing intrauterine pregnancy. With a decrease or a plateau of HCG, we can be assured that an impending miscarriage or ectopic pregnancy may be occurring. Repeat ultrasounds are also important. A repeat transvaginal ultrasound may be scheduled within 48 to 72 hours to check for any developmental changes or to identify the location of pregnancy. Then there is symptom monitoring as well. Patients should be instructed to monitor for symptoms of complications such as pelvic pain or abdominal pain or abnormal bleeding, which would result in immediate medical evaluation. Intervention also. If an ectopic pregnancy is diagnosed, it may require medical management or surgical intervention depending on the patient's condition and preferences. So pregnancy of unknown location can pose risks that require careful monitoring and management, and women experiencing this condition should work closely with their healthcare provider or clinician to understand their options, continue assessment, and ensure timely intervention. If necessary, early detection and appropriate management are very critical to reduce complications and promote the best outcomes for patients' reproductive health. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.